Hi, I'm Catherine Weber and I write the DIY column Living Space. And today we're talking about how to decorate around doorways for holidays and special events. So I'm going to talk to you about a couple of different ways, but let's get started with something that we see a little bit more commonly, and that is the simple wreath. And while beautiful, it is pretty much the expected way to decorate around your doorways. But I want to show you a couple of other different ways that you can decorate around a doorway that looks a little bit different and is going to give you a much more upscale look. I think you're going to be happy with it. Let's talk about swags. Swags are a combination of ingredients like limbs and foliage and maybe some dried fruits. And I've got these two swags made up here for the holidays, from fall all the way to Thanksgiving. And they're really two beautiful representations of what you could do to decorate around doorways. That's something a little bit different. The other swag is this one that really crowns your doorway. It's a beautiful look and it's very fall feeling, very festive. You just, again, depending on the holiday, you can swap out the ingredients that are in it and to make it match for your holiday. Let me show you how I made it very simply. These are simple grapevine swags that you can get at any decor store. And then I purchased just some dried flowers and some leaves and fruits and just stuck them in there with picks and put them together with a little florist wire. I think you'll agree with me that having this look on your door is really a festive way to greet your guests. You can put it throughout the house, so don't just feel like it has to be at the front door. It could be over your kitchen, it could be over your bedroom door. I like it all around the house. It gives a nice festive touch everywhere. So if you're thinking about decorating around your doorways for the holidays, think swag. And I think you're going to be really happy with the way it looks and makes your house feel festive. This is Catherine Weber talking with you about ways to decorate around your doorway for the holidays. Thanks for watching.